Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kay, and here on my channel I share everything nails with you. In today's video we'll be doing a hybrid set similar to what I've uploaded previously, just a different design. Let me know if you guys have taken away any of the methods that I've shared with you and implement them into your day-to-day life as a nail tech, a beginner, or a DIYer, do-it-yourself girly, or guy. Who knows? So let me know if you guys have tried any of the methods, and if you have seen any of the implements or ways or technique that I use in these videos, and you have given it a try, and how you've been liking it, and what else you'd like to see from me in the coming year. I can't believe 2025 is nearing. It's almost at the end, and it flew. It really flew by. But yeah, here I'm just going ahead to take off our previous design. We did a hunter green with some cheetah print. She wanted something simple before her birthday, so that's what we went with. So I'm just taking off her previous design. Now I want to say these were 5 weeks old, and this is both polygel and builder gel. She's a hairstylist, so I tend to do this on her every 4 to 5 weeks. We both have been really busy with school, so yeah, we went a little bit longer than we usually do. And I want to say I see her tomorrow to take off the design that you'll be seeing in this video. So that should be fun because I will be recording those as well. So yeah. Also, I did go ahead and choose my giveaway winners. Congrats to you guys. You guys have been a huge support to me and my channel since I've started sharing back my work here on YouTube. I enjoy you guys commenting and engaging with me and appreciate it. Really, you guys have made the space so welcoming. So yeah, I am excited to share a bit of me with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy your packages once I've received them. So yeah, and I did leave a clip of when I was making the selections for the giveaway. So let me know if you're not following me on Instagram. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, or shoot me a DM with your information, and I'll just go ahead and mail those packages over to you guys. So yeah. Also, Nana Ange did ask me what did I use, what will I be using. I did reach out to XO Sam here on YouTube. I'll link her channel here so you guys will have it. And she gave me Comment Picker. I was playing around with it, but it was giving me a bit of trouble. So I ended up going with Commentshark, and that really picked the winners really quick. It was too swift for me, but I figured it out and I screen recorded it. So you guys will be seeing a clip of the screen recording of the website really picking the winners and so on. So yeah, here I'm using my medium barrel bit to exfoliate her new growth and push her cuticles back. I'm going in a forward direction right now, and I'm using it between 6 to 8 RPMs at a time, and I'm just making sure the sidewalls are nice and clean. She is a braider, so I would like to make sure sidewalls are nice and clean. They're pretty clean when she comes in, especially if she has a lot of braiding clients. Um, I'll have to make sure she doesn't have any hangnails or anything. So I don't do too much cuticle prep on her cuticle. I just do the basic, push her cuticles back, exfoliate her new growth, and use a soft bit or a fine bit to exfoliate. And then I'll go in with like a scrub or something to exfoliate, because she went right back to work. So I really can't do too much cuticle prep on her. That may irritate her throughout the day. So yeah. So here's where I picked the winners. Nana Ange, you were first. Well, the top. It wanted to pick you over and over and over again. That just goes to show that you're a true supporter here on my channel. I love you. Miss Peaches, of course, you Jelix lover. I got you. And Jennifer, congrats to you guys. And I can't wait to share a little bit of me with you guys. So please reach out to me and let me know your info so I could send those packages over. Love you guys. Love all my subscribers here on YouTube. I can't thank you enough for joining this community with me and allowing me to freely share my work with you guys. Here I'm just going in with my rubber base over our entire nails, and then we're curing it for 60 seconds. Then we'll go in with our polygel application. And then for our design, she wanted zebra with some isolated chrome, with some Frenchies. My clients are simple, but not so simple. They like the clean look of their nails, and I like it too. So no complaints. You won't hear me complain because my clients are really easy. I appreciate them. They always come back with saying they're getting compliments when their nails are 5 weeks old, 6 weeks old. The main thing is that they're coming back still happy with what they have on. So yeah, no complaints. So yeah, I'm just going ahead to use my Macard Polygel, and I did put it in a jar because my wrists have been giving me a warm time lately. So I can't really squeeze anymore. And when I used to go live, everyone used to tell me like squeeze it out, put it in a jar, or get like a clip to help push the product downwards. I just couldn't figure it out. I think they're on Young Nail, I want to say. So I seen this tech here on YouTube. She ended up cutting the jars out, cutting the tube, and buying these jars on Amazon and putting them in the jars. So that's what I did. I labeled all the jars and I cut all the tubes, and that's been helping. So if your polygel has been giving you trouble, go ahead and cut it, put it in a jar, and it will help you when you need it for application. So here I'm just making sure I have enough product on our free edge, and I'm blending it upwards to our cuticle, making sure when I put the builder gel on, there's no harsh line or there's not too much product. It's not bulky. It's nice and flush, and they both become one. You won't see where one product started from the next one. As you can see on the ring finger, it's nice and flush, and we have enough product on the free edge. So when we go in to file up that natural nails, it'll be nice and portioned. And she's a hairstylist, so she's always in water. When you're in water, your nail expands. So this will lessen the chance of separation at the free edge. So if you're struggling with product separation at the free edge, maybe try using a hard gel or even a polygel at the free edge, making sure you're filing up the natural nails all the way. You could seal it with a top coat after you done file the natural nails from underneath, and your client should be good for the next time they come in. You don't have to file off all the product afterwards. You could just go ahead and fill it in, but remember to take out that natural nails from the free edge once they come in for that rebalance. And then for our pinky, we are going to take them up a little bit. So you'll see they're getting really long. She's been enjoying that pinky. They use a pinky to part. I didn't understand it until I had a couple ear stylists in my chair. So she loves this pinky. She didn't really want to cut it down, but I had to just take it up just a tad bit. So I applied product on the free edge, making sure I'm balancing it out. So once I go into file, I can file from underneath and bring the nail upward. So it appears to be straighter. So that's what we'll be doing here. So now I'm just going in with my first bead of builder gel, and I'm going in with a slip layer and taking it with a bead of gel, and I'm pushing it up closest to the cuticle and then taking it down the entire nail, flash curing in between for about 30 seconds, and then we'll go ahead and finish our nail off. Once I'm done, I'll cleanse our nail using a lint-free wipe and alcohol to take off the inhibition layer, and then we'll go into sharpen those sidewalls using a 100-180 grit nail file. just to make sure our side rolls are nice and crispy before going in with our 240 grit sanding band. And then we'll jump straight into the design. We will be using our DC 2455 Mastermind, I want to say. We're using one layer of that, and then we'll go straight in with the Frenchies and the zebra print design and so on. So here's where I like to use my needle bit to take out the natural nails, and I'm using it between 15 to 20,000 RPMs at a time, and I'm making sure I'm just taking up the natural nails and not too much of the polygel. We still want to leave structure there, that way she's not going to chip her nails or anything. And then she will go into buff, she'll wash and come back. I wish you guys had a better view to see the thickness of the free edge. I literally just take up the natural nails only, and then she went to wash and come back for the design. So here I'm just going in with Mastermind, and I'm using one coat like I said before, and then we're going in with the French, and I will be using my Cooper top coat again, cleansing before going in with my isolated chrome. So if you're new here, I usually use Cooper matte top coat for my isolated chromes. I like to go ahead and cleanse it using acetone with a lint-free wipe. I wipe it clean, and then I'll go in with isolated chrome. So yeah, you guys have seen me do tons of French. I don't know what's going to be more popular next year, but we shall see. Right now is cat eye, and I love cat eye. I hope it stays around. The formula has just changed so much over the years. So no complaints when it comes on to that. So yeah, I will let you guys watch me do these Frenchies, and I'll come back once we start with the zebra print design and isolated. So here I'm just going in with the burgundy color to do our zebra print, and we're just making some, uneven lines. Not too perfect. They just have to look nice and clean. And then I want to say the pointer, when I got to the pointer finger, it looked a little cluttered. So I ended up wiping those 2 strokes off and just relaying it. I absolutely could have let it stay. But guys, I am just as picky as my clients. Yeah, so your girl just, did a little tap tap, wipe it off, and I reapplied, and then she flash cured. And then I want to say I ended up putting her Koopa top coat on, but I didn't catch it on camera. Because I'm here editing the video. I'm like, where is that part? Oh, here I'm going in with the gold chrome over the top coat, and I cured the top coat for like 30 seconds. I didn't do a full cure. And then the Macart gel, I mixed it with some top coat. And then now I'm just going in with some squiggly lines. And then I'm going to put some more some chrome over it to, make it more defined. Nice clean lines. And then I will, to top coat this design, I will be using my gel bottle rubber top coat. If I wasn't going to use my rubber top coat, I'll go in with a base coat first and then go in with a top coat. So I'll probably go in with the rubber base top coat that I used previously and then a regular top coat. But I opt to just use a rubber base top coat. I really love how thick it is. They always come back with their designs and their charms. No complaints when it comes on to that. I will always have that stored in my suite for sure. Here I'm just going in with some lines around the Frenchies with the zebra print design where I'm just going to flash cure and I'm going to go straight in with that same sponge with the chrome on it to just give it a different look. And I seen her nails last week and they still look good, guys. They still look good. She don't have a dye, nothing on her hands. And she's been working. But she does come in my chair tomorrow, so we'll see how they look. I make sure to record all my clients for tomorrow. And come the new year, I'll do more of a day in the life. So you guys can see. It's just been so busy and everybody wants to be recorded. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't checked out my previous upload, please to do so at the end of this video. And if you have made it this far, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one.